Once upon a time, in a cozy little town surrounded by lush green hills, there lived a young boy named Arjun. Arjun was a bright student with big dreams. His biggest dream to become the top student in his 6th grade class. But no matter how much he studied, how many extra classes he attended, or how many late nights he spent poring over his book, Arjun always seemed to fail just short of his goal. Now some might have given up at this point. They might have thought, maybe I am just not meant to be the best. But not Arjun. No, Arjun was a different. He was a determined, persistent, and filled with the unshakable belief in himself. So Arjun rolled up his sleeves and got to work. He knew that his dream. He needed to be willing to put in the effort, and so he did every day. After school, you could find Arjun hunched over his desk, textbooks spread out in front of him as he diligently tackled one lesson after another. But stop there. He knew that the truly excel, he needed to confront his head on. So he sought help from his teachers, asked questions when he didn't understand something, and never hesitated to ask for extra practice when he needed it. Of course, journey was not without its challenges. There were moments when he felt frustrated, moments when he wanted to throw in the towel and give up. But each time he faced a setback, Arjun reminded himself of his goal, of the burning desire that fueled his determination. And then, one magical day, it happened. The day of arrived, and the result of the semester exams were announced. Arjun held his breath as he waited to hear his name called, and when it finally was, his heart nearly burst with joy. For there at the very top of the list was he had done it. He had achieved his dream of becoming the top student in his class. As Arjun stood there, a smile stretching from ear to ear, he realized something important. He realized that the key of success was not just talent or intelligence, it was hard work, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in ourselves. Arjun's story spread throughout the town like wildfire, inspiring all who heard it. He went on to achieve even greater things, his belief in himself stronger than ever before. And so, dear reader, the next time you find yourself faced with a challenge, remember Arjun's story. Remember that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of belief in yourself, anything is possible. I really like today's story. If you like, then please like, comment, and share so I can understand you are liking my story.